Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. At $1.20 now with a 2% increase in the last 24 hours, a lot of people are remaining bullish on this cryptocurrency. We're going to talk some about the really big things coming, as well as some of the news across the Cardano ecosystem. A lot of great things going on, so if you are a Cardano holder, or maybe want to be a Cardano holder, or just want to learn more about crypto in general, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If we jump to the 1 week, you can see that there has been a decrease, about 1.46% of a decrease. However, the last month has been very, very positive for Cardano, coming from about 85 cents to $1.20. We've seen about a 36 to 37% increase, and it's actually made our way back to a $40.7 billion market cap. You can also see that the trading activity is remaining bullish. 61% buy on Coinbase, which, by the way, if you are on Coinbase holding Cardano and you don't want to take advantage of the staking outside of the platform, you can actually stake with Coinbase now. So that's nice for beginners to just get involved with Cardano passive income. I want to jump, though, over to talk a little bit more about some of the big things going on in the space with Cardano. But before I do so, I do want to say, guys, the market right now is down across the board. 1.59% of a decrease in the last 24 hours. So it's very, very bullish to see Cardano up 2%, continuing to strive against or really do well against the market while we see the market going down. So Cardano, definitely one to look out for in the next couple of months, definitely with HYDRA upgrade and things coming very, very soon. I want to talk a little bit more about Cardano, but before we do so, I want to go over to my Twitter because ProfitYT on Twitter, if you guys aren't already following, there's some big things going on. I just actually recently put this one out. So Bitcoin retesting 44 to 45K. Watch for a bullish move to 50K soon. Definitely something you guys should be paying attention to. I think Bitcoin is obviously going to continue to remain the leading factor in where crypto is going next. So something to watch out for. And then another thing to watch out for is we do have a giveaway going on. So we are giving away $2,500 this week since we didn't get to 50K Bitcoin. All you have to do is retweet and follow to enter, and the DM goes out Saturday. So make sure to do that before this Saturday, as I do want you, the loyal followers, to get involved and hopefully get the winnings. If we jump over to the next tweet, we can actually see Cardano got included on CNBC again today during their Crypto World Show. This is March 28th, but we've seen this quite a bit recently. Cardano is getting noticed. Cardano is continuing to get really out there to the rest of the world. A lot of people are starting to see Cardano for what it is, as it is definitely one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies in my mind. Obviously, right now it's not in market cap, but as we've seen it in the past, it definitely has what it takes to get back to a top 3. I want to jump to the next tweet because this is a huge, huge bullish tweet from Snoop Dogg. So this will be fun. Hashtag Cardano. It's official. Snoop Dogg and Champ Medici will partner with Clay Nation to bring you iconic collectibles in unreleased music and limited edition pitches. So if we look here, Snoop Dogg to issue unreleased music as NFTs on Cardano blockchain. This is just giving Cardano more of an outreach, showing that they do have so much utility and use cases in their blockchain that people are willing to jump in. Some famous people are willing to jump in and take advantage of it. I'm not going to jump too much into this, but like I said, there is a reason people are starting to see Cardano as what it is. If we jump over to the next tweet, we see last week marked the launch of ADA Yield Fund, a new initiative to really support Cardano in DeFi ecosystem growth. They invited Wave Financial CEO David Seimer on Cardano 360 to tell us how this fund will support the new DEXs and lending protocols and stablecoin issuers. So that's great to see as well. And I want to say, guys, during all this time, we're continuing to see new and better projects jump on board with Cardano, giving it more, like I said, utility in the space. I want to jump over to BlockFi now. Before we talk about some new things going on with Cardano, I want to talk about what BlockFi is doing for you. So if you use a BlockFi Rewards credit card, it actually lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every purchase. You can buy, sell, and earn cryptocurrency. With over 15 million already paid to date, there's no reason not to get involved. There's no annual fees, and if you want to get involved, just click the link down in the description below. In the description, we'll have a BlockFi link that'll give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up for the first time. Definitely take advantage of that. As we jump over to the next article, this is going to be the last article before we talk about price predictions. It's going to talk a little bit about the top 2 cryptocurrencies to buy and hold forever. Well, Cardano is number 1 for many different reasons. So not only are you getting passive income, but it's an up-and-coming blockchain that has so much potential. We just saw Snoop Dogg. We saw so many really celebrities actually involved and getting involved with Cardano recently. So the Cardano HYDRA upgrade is going to be huge as well this year. And I want to talk about the blockchain technology is evolving rapidly. Cryptocurrencies that stand the test of time must consistently improve to keep up with the competition. This is where Cardano shines. The platform's track record of successful updates and its ambitious long-term goals make it an excellent pick for investors. Well, us investors are looking into Cardano and seeing that there is a lot of potential. I will say, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to do your own research on Cardano before getting involved, because a lot of us here on the channel, I don't want you guys just basically blindly following. I want you guys to do your own research, understand that I'm not a financial advisor, and find out why people are talking about it. Cardano's developers use a phase strategy instead of trying to do everything at once. In the initial 2 milestones, dubbed Byron and Shelley, the team launched Cardano implemented its transaction verification mechanisms, Ouroboros, a proof-of-stake system where miners update the ledger using coins they own. In the third phase, Gauguin and Cardano enabled smart contracts, which are self-executing programs stored on the blockchain. Smart contracts are a foundation of decentralized applications, which expand the blockchain's use cases into things like decentralized exchanges and digital art markets. But Cardano is just getting started. So according to its development roadmap, Cardano's next phase of development is Basho, which will focus on scalability. It is unclear when this will go live, but it may introduce technologies like HYDRA, which the big upgrade that we're talking about, and it's designed to break the blockchain into multiple parts to prevent bottlenecks. This is just going to be all about scalability. So these changes could send Cardano's processing capacity from its current 250 transactions per second to 1 million. But the developers stress that 1 million is an aspirational target, and they plan to scale Cardano based on demand. So huge scalability coming with, a lot of hype around this project. So just keep in mind, guys, there is so many articles out there talking about Cardano every day. There's a lot of people every day talking about Cardano. The community alone is massive. So it's going to continue to push for a massive price, in my opinion. If we jump over to Cardano, give it a quick refresh, make sure we're seeing the most current price, still $1.20. But in the last 24 hours, we're still up 2.22%. A very nice increase for the last 24 hours, while the entire crypto space has kind of gone down about 1 to 2%. But the good thing to note, guys, is we are actually positive for the year, because Cardano had a really rough time in March. We actually saw it drop down to 80 cents, or actually below 80 cents. And we came back up. We continue now to have about a 2% increase over the year, which is not as good as we would like, obviously, with an all-time high of $3.10. But that's why you guys take profits on the way up. And I want you guys to think about that with Cardano. As we get into the next bull run, when that does take place, take profits along the way. You don't have to take it all out at once, but just find a strategy that works for you and really execute when it comes to time. I will say again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on if you have not already. Jump over to this tweet. Take advantage of the $2,500 giveaway we are doing. Retweet and follow to enter. DM goes out Saturday. Good luck on that, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.